Ever wondered why your homegrown tomatoes taste so much better than store-bought ones? It all starts with the soil. Imagine soil as a bustling city, teeming with life and activity. It's more than just dirt, it's a living, breathing entity that plays a crucial role in the growth of our plants. Just like the human body relies on a balanced diet to function optimally, plants too require a mix of nutrients to grow and thrive. Soil is the main course at the plant's dining table, serving up a buffet of essential nutrients that influence plant growth and dictate the quality of our fruits and vegetables. Think of soil as a multivitamin for plants, providing them with a balanced diet of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen is the plant's protein, vital for leaf and stem growth. Phosphorus is the carbohydrate, fueling energy transfer and promoting root, flower, and fruit development. Potassium, the fat of the plant world, regulates water and nutrient movement, strengthening plants against diseases and stress. But that's not all. The soil also contains a cocktail of secondary nutrients and trace elements like calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, and zinc. These lesser-known nutrients may not make the headlines, but they play a starring role in plant health and food quality. The nutrient content of the soil directly influences the nutrient content of our food. A tomato grown in nutrient-rich soil will not only taste better, but will also pack a more powerful nutritional punch than its store-bought counterpart. This is because the quality of the soil, its texture, pH, and organic matter content all contribute to the nutrient uptake of the plant. So if you've been wondering why your homegrown fruits and vegetables taste so much better, now you know. It's all thanks to the rich, nutrient-dense soil they're grown in. When we nourish the soil in turn nourishes our plants, leading to healthier, tastier produce. So if you want that burst of flavor in your fruits and veggies, it's time to pay attention to your soil. So, what makes the soil so special? Let's dive into the science behind it. The soil beneath our feet is more than just dirt. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with life, and its health is vital to the nutrient content of the fruits and vegetables we eat. One of the key components of this ecosystem is the soil nutrients, the minerals that plants absorb from the soil to grow and produce food. Let's start with the three primary nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen is essentially plant food. It's vital for the development of lush green leaves and stems, promoting vigorous growth. Phosphorus, on the other hand, is all about energy transfer. It helps plants convert sunlight into food during photosynthesis and is crucial for root development. Lastly, potassium. It's like the plant's immune system, helping them resist diseases and withstand drought. It also aids in the production of fruit and seeds. But what's the connection between these soil nutrients and the nutrient quality of our food? Well, plants are what they eat, just like us. The nutrients they absorb from the soil end up in the fruits and vegetables they produce. So if the soil is rich in nutrients, the produce will be nutrient-dense too. However, it's not just about the big three. Trace elements, the nutrients needed in smaller quantities, also play a crucial role. Iron, for example, helps plants produce chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for photosynthesis. Zinc aids in the production of enzymes and growth hormones, while manganese is essential for photosynthesis and helps plants break down carbohydrates. So it's a whole interconnected system. The nutrients in the soil feed the plants, which in turn feed us. It's this remarkable soil-plant-human nutrient cycle that sustains life on our planet. Clearly, the nutrient content of our soil directly impacts the nutrient content of our food. So the next time you bite into a juicy apple or savor a crunchy carrot, remember, you're not just tasting the fruit or vegetable, but also the richness of the soil it sprouted from. Now that we understand the importance of soil nutrients, how can we boost our soil quality? Well, let's delve into some effective ways. The most accessible and beneficial method is through composting. This process decomposes organic matter, like kitchen scraps or garden waste, into a rich soil-like substance. Compost introduces beneficial microbes into the soil and serves as a feast of nutrients for your plants. An easily overlooked aspect of composting is its ability to significantly increase the protein content and the vitamin and mineral density in your produce. Studies have shown that compost-enriched soil can lead to fruits and vegetables that have significantly higher amounts of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for our health. Essentially, when you use compost, it's like giving your garden a gourmet meal loaded with all the vital nutrients it needs to flourish. The next worthwhile method is crop rotation. This ancient technique rotates the type of crops grown in a specific plot from season to season. Every plant has distinct nutrient demands and contributes differently to the soil. By rotating crops, it helps to balance the soil nutrients, prevent pest and disease accumulation, and promote robust plant growth. It's as if you're giving the soil a well-deserved break. Cover cropping is another effective tactic. Cover crops, grown specifically for soil health and not for harvest, shield the soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and, they decompose, return organic matter and nutrients to the soil. It's equivalent to having a dedicated trainer for your garden, maintaining it in prime condition even during off-seasons. You may ask, what does this mean for my fruits and vegetables? Well, enriching the soil with nutrients directly benefits our plants. They become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to pests and diseases. Moreover, they yield fruits and vegetables that are not only larger and tastier due to composting, but are also rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It's a win-win situation. Improving soil quality might appear overwhelming, but with these techniques, it becomes manageable and rewarding. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, these strategies can maximize your soil and harvest potential. Keep in mind, a nutrient-dense soil produces nutrient-dense produce. So let's start pampering our soil, for the quality of our food is directly linked to the soil it sprouts from. But it's not just about the vitamins and minerals. Did you know that soil quality also affects water? Yes, the health of our soil plays a crucial role in water management. Let's dive into this topic a bit deeper. Healthy soil is like a sponge. It has the ability to absorb, hold, and slowly release water. This capability is known as water retention. When soil is rich in organic matter and teeming with life, it can better hold on to water. This means less watering for your garden, which is not only good for the environment but also for your wallet. More importantly, it makes your plants more resilient to drought, ensuring they stay hydrated and healthy even in dry conditions. But how does this happen? Well, organic matter, including decomposed plants and animal waste, helps create spaces in the soil. These spaces, or pores, allow water to infiltrate and percolate through the soil. The water can then be stored in the soil for plants to use when they need it. This is why composting and adding organic matter to your soil is so important. It not only feeds your plants but also improves your soil's water retention ability. Now let's talk about how soil quality can affect the quality of groundwater. When soil is healthy and well-structured, it can act as a filter, removing impurities from the water as it moves through the soil layers. This process is known as soil filtration. However, if the soil is compacted or contaminated, it can't effectively filter the water. This may lead to the groundwater being contaminated with chemicals and pollutants, which can pose a threat to our health and the environment. So you see, soil quality is not just about producing nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables. It's also about water management and protection of our groundwater resources. It's a complex and interconnected system, where every aspect plays a crucial role. So, good soil doesn't just mean good food, it also means good water. Let's take a moment to appreciate the humble soil beneath our feet. This seemingly ordinary substance is a vibrant, living entity, teeming with activity and brimming with potential. It's the lifeblood of our ecosystem, the backbone of our agriculture, and the cornerstone of our survival. In the past few minutes, we've explored the fascinating relationship between soil and plants. We've learned that plants don't just grow in soil, they have an intimate relationship with it. They rely on soil nutrients for their growth and health. And in turn, these nutrients influence the quality of the fruits and vegetables they produce. We've delved into the science of soil nutrients, understanding how elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium play pivotal roles in plant health. We've seen that these nutrients aren't just essential for plants, they are also critical for us. The nutrients that plants absorb from the soil eventually make their way into the food we eat, contributing to our own health and well-being. We've also discussed ways to improve soil quality, from composting to crop rotation. These practices can enrich soil with nutrients, promote microbial activity, and improve soil structure, all leading to healthier, more nutrient-dense produce. And we've considered the impact of soil quality on water. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, absorbing and retaining water. This not only benefits plants by providing them with a steady supply of water, but it also prevents runoff, reducing soil erosion and water pollution. So, the next time you're in your garden, take a moment to appreciate the soil. The quality of the soil in your garden isn't just about growing beautiful flowers or bountiful vegetables, it's about growing food that's rich in nutrients, preserving our water resources, and supporting the health of our planet. Next time you bite into a juicy tomato or crunch a fresh carrot, remember, It's all thanks to the soil.